I think it's leaking from the seal because I didn't even start it now. I just put more oil in it. Looks like the bottom pump bolts or something that's leaking. I think because I don't see no oil coming from the leak itself. I think it's just like the bottom two bolts maybe. I'm gonna have to take it apart. Let's see, maybe tomorrow or Monday. I'm not sure why the transmission is leaking oil. It's coming from the inside. It's not from the gasket. It's coming from the inside somewhere. You know, I've added about close to 6 quarts and my car is tilted, so lifted up in the front. Not sure why where it's leaking from. Fuck, man. Hopefully I don't have to pull this shit out again. I don't know what the hell is going on. It's not leaking from the gasket, I know for sure, because I cleaned it up. You know, like I cleaned it up. It's seeping from, coming from the inside. You'll see it. Could it be that I didn't tighten the pump or something? Or see, there it is. I don't know what the hell is going on. Okay, finally got around, took everything out. I feel like it's the bottom two bolts. It was leaking. I thought it was the gasket since these bolts run through, but it's not. It's definitely leaking from right here, seeping a little bit, you know. I'm gonna pull it out, change this O-ring, change this, change the gasket inside. As you mentioned, I'll probably just have it started sitting right here on the ground, just like quick start, right? I think should be good. Or not even start, maybe just crank over, I feel like. But the thing is, like, or I'll probably just add oil and then be able to tell like if it's leaks, because I didn't even start it and then it would just leak oil from right there. Let's see. Next weekend, hopefully. You know what's weird? Like, I can definitely tell it was not leaking from here. It was definitely leaking from these two bolts. So I pulled the pump out, and then, you know, this time pulling the pump out was really hard. Like when a few months ago when I was going through issues, I pulled it out. It came out really easy. I spinned it and I freaking pulled it out. Today I really had to jam in it right here to like feel like it was stuck. Or maybe I tightened the bolts too much and then it pushed the pump in a little bit further or something. I don't know. But you know, the gasket is still good. Like I'll send you a picture. The gasket inside is still good. It's not broken, it's not torn, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get a new gasket. This O-ring right here, this thing right here, and maybe the shim thing that's inside, and also this pan gasket. Probably will, before I put it in, as you mentioned, I'm gonna start it on the, just probably let it sit down. Maybe not even start it, like just crank it over, you know. It should just try to burst some oil out of it or something. I should be able to tell. Yeah, I probably will get to it next week. Overall, not bad. Let's see, hopefully